Application Example 2. Travel timers and end position recognition. In the standard setting, manual operation by 1-bit commands, a travel time setting is generally not necessary. For applications that require exact positioning, such as scene control and 8-bit positioning telegrams through automatic shading, exact travel times are essential. If they have to be set manually, this is done on the blinds page in the corresponding parameters. The values of the travel times from bottom to top and in the opposite direction must be determined by a stopwatch and entered into these fields. However, the slat adjustment time, which can still only be determined manually, can now be determined much more precisely, to the nearest thousandth of a second. The Siemens Solar Protection actuator N543, with its special concept of end position calibration, also offers a much better option for determining travel times. This concept consists of two parts. Part 1 is the automatic end position detection based on current measurement, and Part 2, the fully automatic recalibration of the travel times. End position detection via current measurement means that the electronic solar protection drives can now also be monitored and calibrated. Another advantage: the usable operating voltage range is now considerably larger, from 12 to 230 volts AC. Since the minimum current that can be evaluated is 75 milliamperes, all commercially available AC drives should be suitable. Where is this automatic end position detection set? Let's go to the page Functions Objects of Any Channel. There it is, the second parameter from the top. All you have to do is set it to Enable and you're basically done. No additional object has been created. You do not have to start a new special calibration procedure after the download. The first move command after the download, both per 1-bit and per 8-bit, starts this automatic calibration if required. During the normal operating time, further automatic recalibrations are carried out each time the drive reaches an end position or if it travels the entire travel distance unstopped. If, contrary to expectations, the result of this simple setting is insufficient, it is possible to display an object for manual calibration in addition to the automatic calibration. Also, if there are problems with end position detection, the response threshold of the current can be changed via the extended configuration. This brings us to the end of this example. Thanks again for watching. The next topic is activation and linking of overrides.